How to generate image for free on Freepik AI. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to generate AI images for free using Freepik AI. First thing you have to do is go to your web browser, click on the search icon, and then simply search for Freepik. Hit enter and go to freepik.com. You need to just make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do here is go ahead and click on the generate image option. On the left hand side, you can also find the pinned image generator right over here. Then you can go to the prompt box. You can also select the model if you want. So I'll just do here for Flux. As you can see, all of these are premium features. So I'll just select the auto model for now. And then on the prompt box, you can upload an image, or you could just go ahead and describe your image. So I'll just do something like dog wearing a space suit. Hit enter. I will start generating the image for you. It has already been queued. You can see the progress bar over here. You can add different styles here and different compositions as well. You can add a new character. So all of these require premium features. As you can see here, it has generated the image for us with a dog and a spacesuit. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.